Hello everyone. Today we are studying about the scientific basis of classification. At first, we see that there are how many scientific bases of classification. In general, there are 5 scientific bases of classification. First, on the basis of organization of nucleus. Second, on the basis of number of cells. Third, on the basis of mode of nutrition. Fourth, on the basis of level of organization. And the last one is on the basis of evolution. Now, we study this briefly. On the basis of organization of nucleus, nucleus may or may not be organized in an organism. On this basis, organism can be divided into 2 groups, that is, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. When nucleus is not organized, that is, nuclear material are not membrane bound, the organism is called prokaryote. And when nucleus is organized, that is, nuclear materials are membrane bound, the organism is called eukaryotes. Next, the classification on the basis of number of cells. An organism can be composed of a single cells or many cells. An organism with single cells is called unicellular organism. On the other hand, an organism with more than one cell is called multicellular organism. Now, classification on the basis of mode of nutrition. On this basis, organism can be divided into 2 broad groups, that is, autotrophs and heterotrophs. An autotroph make its own food, like plants, while a heterotroph depends on other organisms for food, like human. Next is the classification on the basis of level of organization. Even in case of multicellular organism, there can be different levels of organization. When a cell is responsible for all the life processes, it is called cellular level of organization. And when some cells group together to perform specific function, it is called tissue level of organization. And when tissue groups together to form some organs, it is called organ level of organization. Similarly, organ system level of organization is seen in complex organism like human. And the last one is classification on the basis of evolution. It is a well-established fact that all the life forms have evolved from a common ancestor. Scientists have proved that the life began on the earth in the form of simple life forms. During the course of time, complex organisms evolved from them. So, classification is also based on evolution. A simple organism is considered to be primitive, while a complex organism is considered to be advanced. Okay, that's all for today. I think this tutorial helps you a lot. Thank you. See you in the next video.